Today we are in Amherstburg again for a second time in a row to show you this nice house. It's a brand new build. It's a semi-detached house. On the last video we showed you a townhouse, but this is a semi-detached, so it's only connected from one side. And really like this house, so I cannot wait to show it to you guys. It's on 210 McLellan in Amherstburg City. What I love about this house is that it is a semi-detached, which is basically you have your own side of the house, you have your own driveway, a two-car driveway, and also a two-car attached garage inside, so you can put your two vehicles inside comfortably. And you know, it's basically you're having your own house, but it's only attached from one side, and that's why it's a little bit cheaper than buying a single family house. The exterior of this house, it's full of brick, which is really good. It's one of the best materials to build, and it's very durable. And also you have your own venting. You know, the new builds, they started putting like ventilation systems. So here you have venting all over the house. And this is a ranch style. So you will see the house, it's all on one floor. So as soon as you go just a couple of stairs here, and it's all in one floor. You have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the basement is unfinished, but we're still gonna show it to you guys. What I love about this neighborhood is that it's a new subdivision. It's all got built recently, and you know, the landscaping of this house and all of the neighborhood is really good, and it's not too far away from the water as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this house from the inside. So here you have the ceiling is extended, just like in the townhouse we showed you. So you have a little area here. If it's raining, you can take off your shoes or put on your shoes here without getting rain. So as soon as we walk in, foyer welcomes you. And also you have, you know, it's a very smart way to put the basement. So they have the basement on the left side as soon as you go inside the house. And look at this picturesque window. Like, it's a huge size window, brings a lot of natural light, which is I really love this about this builder. I filmed a few houses for them, and I know that they really care about bringing the natural light inside, and also they're very careful with the colors they choose. Most of the time they paint the walls with white just to make it even brighter. And right here you have a closet, and you know what I like is you have a tile. So as soon as you walk in, you have all of this area with tile. So if it's raining outside, you can come inside, and you know, it's easier to clean a tile, and it's even it's more durable. Like, it can't resist water, and it will be fine. Here you can put on your shoes, your clothes, whatever you have, you can put it on this walk-in closet. And on the right side, you're gonna have your 2-car attached garage. So you can easily put 2 vehicles here. You know, ceiling is good. You have a big door right here. You can open it and put your 2 vehicles. So that's also good. And you can see, like, as soon as we open and close the door, like, the security system notify you about all this stuff. So they took care about that as well. And you can even connect the app with the Wi-Fi, so you can get notifications if someone's coming in or going out. So this is also really important. Here is your first bathroom. So you have 2 bathrooms on this floor only. So this is the first one. And you know, you'll see that the builder is very consistent with the colors, with the type of built materials. Like, you have a granite here and a granite on all over the house. And also these tiles, they have used them almost everywhere. And here you have a tub, you know, a nice one-piece tub that's really clean and nice. You know, they put it here with one piece, I think, because this is gonna be also for visitors. So it is cleaner to have it all in one piece than having a stand-up shower that's custom, because this takes, you know, can take longer and stay longer. So, and here's your first bedroom. It's a good size, high ceiling, big window, and also you have 2 doors for your closets. So the floor here is carpet, which is nice when you buy. Some people prefer a carpet, some prefer not having a carpet. If you have kids, you will prefer carpet because it will always be warmer and if they fell off, it will be easier for them. Here is your security system that I just told you about. It's really nice, really cool to have, have a lot of different stuff you can use, notifications, buttons, you can play around with that. This is your cooling and heating system, and this is your ventilation system. You can use it to kind of, because that's a new system, like they've been using it for the last 5-10 years. So it kind of reduces your bill because it keeps the house most of the time in good temperature without having, to worry about opening or heating or cooling. So this is that's my favorite part of the house. Like it's a very open concept, very spacious area because the height, just the ceiling height, like it's about 9-foot ceiling height. So the ceilings are very high, and also you have more designs here on the ceilings, makes it even larger and more like luxury, I would say. Here you have landing, an island in the middle, and also have two double sink here. So it's nice, and just again, like they're using the same type of a granite on the top, the same colors for the cabinets. So that's where you're gonna see all over the house. Like this builder is very consistent when they are building. Here's gonna, putting your stove. Here is gonna be the dishwasher, and here you would have a space for your fridge. They also have, like a tab here, so you can connect you to your fridge, so you can make ice and stuff like that. And they didn't forget adding an outlet, a power outlet on this side. So if you're having any type of machines here, you can use them easily with having this. Some area for stools, and here you have your dining area with a nice chandelier on the top. I think the area is good, spacious. You have no problem with sitting here, and also you can put your TV on this side, or you can even put your TV here or on the other side. I think it's really open and it's really nice. And also let's not forget to mention the amount of lights that's coming from this 8x8-foot patio door, which is really huge and brings a lot of light inside. So let's go right now and show you the garden. So this is your backyard. It's also spacious. You can also talk to the to the builder about adding a fence, or you can add it by yourself later on. But the good thing, even if the house is connected, even if it's a semi-detached, you still have your own backyard, and it is separated from the neighbors on the right side. And just like I said, the whole house is just full brick. I really hate sometimes when they have half a brick and some stucco. I think that's really a little bit cheap. Like stucco is cheaper, so that's why people use it. But on this house, no, like it's all brick. So all of the good materials is here. This is the reason why you have it like this for the basement, just to make it bigger. So this is an egress window for the basement. So in case of fire, everyone can leave the house easily. And they are fixing the problem of a ranch, because on ranches you have smaller windows for most of the time. And now let's go take a look at the biggest room in the house. On this side we have a laundry room. So here is where you have your washer, dryer and sink, and also in a little area just to store whatever you want to store. And you can see they have used the tile here because this area maybe you drop some water, so it's better to have tile on the floor. And now welcome to the master bedroom. So just like you can see, the focus on the details. They're adding a big window on this side, and they also added two little windows on both sides just to bring more lights from this side as well. And also they added a window inside the ensuite bathroom. So this bedroom has a bathroom, ensuite, and also has a walk-in closet. So on this side you have a walk-in closet. You see it's spacious, you can get in, change and get out. And also I've seen some people use like they use custom cabinets, so you can take these off and get some people that can do custom cabinets. I've done it before with somebody. I will make a specific video about that. Like I really find it useful to have custom cabinets instead of having just these. And on this side you have a very nice actually ensuite bathroom. You can see the same granite and also white cabinets. They have been using it everywhere. So this one has a double sink for him, for her, and this is your nice window, toilet, and also you have you know, stand-up shower on this side, white color, just matching with everything, and a little glass here, nice door. I think the overall, it's very nice and clean. And just on you know, behind the door, there's another door. This is as a storage, like it's also a big storage, you know. You can put whatever stuff you have here, store it. So I do think, you know, overall, the house is really nice. And you know, one of the advantages of buying a ranch, because we always talk about the style. My favorite style, I would say, is either two-story. Two-stories, you know, is the most luxurious type of house, because it offers you, the bedrooms will be on the separate floor, and also the main floor will be out for fun, sitting area, and also kitchen area. But this type of house, it's better for people who have kids, or, you know, like older people, because there are basically no stairs. So anyone can buy this house if they have kids. They don't need to worry about having the stairs, or if they don't, you know, they don't want to go up and down, then this is the perfect house for them. Because on the ranch style, as soon as you go on the main door, that's it. You're not gonna face any other stairs. You can go in the house, bedrooms, living area, kitchen, bathroom, all in the same place. But also on this one, you have a basement, which is not finished yet, but we will also show you the basement right now. So this is the basement. It's unfinished yet, but it's a huge size, just like you see. You know, you can easily put 2 bedrooms here, a huge living area, or maybe even adding a kitchen if you needed to. It's a lot of space. You can design it the way you want. They have finished some stuff, like for example, you know, the lighting. They added a lot of lights, a lot of wiring for the lights, and you know, some of the framing is done, not all of it, just on the walls. They have done that as well. And you know, the ceiling height, one of the problems that we see with the ranch was the low ceiling most of the time. But with the new builds, they started fixing that problem. Like, I can't even touch the ceiling, it's really high. And that's what I, you know, was telling you about when we were at the backyard. So here you have a big window, while most of the time we used to see a very small window on the ranch house, but this is a big one. And you know, it's called an egress window, so you can leave the house in case of fire from this window as well. Here's your sump pump, prevent you from flooding and all of that. And you have very big electrical panel here, a lot of empty spaces for you to finish the basement and adding a lot of different stuff. You know, even if you have an electrical car, you can get a line from here easily. And this is a 200 amp, so 200 by 200, so that's 400 amp. You know, you can add a lot of stuff. Like, you can have a second kitchen here easily with this kind of power that you have on this panel. So a lot of nice stuff on this house. And some of the stuff like they have done is, you know, some of the water lines are also done here. So if you want to add a laundry or having a bathroom here, it will be easy to connect everything else. And here is your furnace. So this could be your mechanic room, having your furnace. And you know, this is the life breath, which is basically you know, like the ventilation kind of system that could help you with the fence. They both work together. And if you have any questions basically on this house, you can reach us out. It is still on the market, and I really love like the style that this builder is building. So I will also have attached a link for a house that we have filmed recently. It's a 2-story house. That's really, you know, one of the houses that sticks into my mind because of the way it's built, and also the design. Like, everything there just feels so good. So I will leave you a link for that house right here. And if you want to watch more tours like this, make sure you watch this link. And if you have any questions about this house, reach us out. It is still available for sale in the market. Our number is going to be right here, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.